Hey guys, it's Kitty Crafts. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't heard, Minecraft has come out with a bunch of new baby animal mob designs that are so cute and are coming up in the new update. Of course, I've already gotten a request for the Minecraft baby chick. It is so cute and small. Look at him, look. I made all three variants from the warm, cold, and temperate biomes, so grab your beads and let's start crafting. Here are the art cow and perler bead colors that I'm using to make the standard temperate chick. The Minecraft chicks are definitely the smallest mob I have ever had to design on this channel, and I had so much fun coming up with the different puzzle pieces to make these little guys. With this design, however, you'll have to draw in the eyes. So that last piece I made, that was actually the chick's face, and now I'm making the piece that will have the chick's beak as well as its tiny little wings. Try to mix up your different shades of yellow so that each chick can truly be unique. While you're still here watching this beautiful design come together, I would be so grateful if you could give this video a like and make sure you're subscribed so that you can follow along as I make more and more crafts. I really appreciate that Minecraft is finally adding these baby mobs to the new update, because in the past, anytime you bred two chickens together, out will just pop a whole new chicken, and it's just a tinier version of it. It's not a chick. So I'm glad that they are correcting this so that it is biologically accurate, and these chicks, other than being so cute, are just very easy to make. It took me less than 5 minutes to put all of these beads down. This final rectangular piece is crucial to the design because it's what's holding everything together. And finally, I'm adding two tiny little feet. Of course, I also wanted you to be able to make the warm climate chick, so here are the colors I'm using, and you can copy down this design the same as the last one. Before I finalized this design, I made two other prototypes with different patterns. I made this for the cold chick and the warm chick. You can see how the orientation of the beads are slightly different in the gray and orange chick, but they are still very cute in their own way. I just like how the temperate chick turned out. For the cold climate chick, I still wanted to give you the option to try one of my other patterns, the one from my second prototype. It's slightly different from the last template you saw, but it'll still make the same exact chick. The face of the chick will have a different look, and since I put black beads in this design, you won't have to draw in the eyes. See which one you like better. This design is a vertical stacking method, so you're going to be stacking all 4 of these squares on top of each other and then holding it together with one rectangular piece, just like we did in the earlier one. Now to get all of these pieces fused together, I have my iron on a medium heat setting, number 3 polyester for my specific iron. I moved the iron around in circular motions for about a minute until I could see that every bead was bolded through the paper. Then flip it around, get a second piece of parchment paper, and then do the same on the back. Just make sure that the holes do not close up completely. You still want the beads to have some thickness to them so that they won't have any issues clicking together. Once everything is fused, keep a heavy book on top of the pieces so that they can cool down and stay flat. Another method for ironing beads is to use the tape method. This is to help you get all of the beads off of the board so that you don't accidentally melt your pegboard. I'm using Scotch tape to get these beads off, but you could also use masking tape or painter's tape. Now we just iron until we see all of the beads bulge through the paper again, and make sure to take off that piece of tape before you iron that other side. As you can see, each piece still has all of the holes showing. You don't want any of these holes to close up after ironing because that means you're in over iron territory and it will be very hard for these pieces to click together. Now to assemble, we'll get this face piece and the beak piece clicking together. And this rectangular piece is what holds it all together. To attach the tiny legs, we're going to take this bottom piece off and get an acrylic rod through it. If you don't have this, that's alright. Try to find a toothpick. And then we'll attach the tiny little feet to the leg. And we got some chick legs. It's so cute and tiny. Like, look how small this is compared to my hand. Now we need to draw on some eyes so this chick can see the world. He's alive! Welcome to the world, Temperate baby chick. And of course I also made his sister, the warm climate chick. And finally, for our cold climate chick, this guy is looking very handsome and I love how clean the beads look stacked on top of each other like that. So it's really up to you which design you like more. I just wanted you to have this option in case you liked one over the other. But they're the same chick, and now we have a little basket of our baby Minecraft chicks. Isn't this the cutest thing? Let's take a closer look at each model. My very first prototype, my small baby chick that was a little over ironed. I didn't end up going with this because the feet weren't very good for balancing. Then second prototype, warm chick. I just didn't like how the eyes looked kind of funny. I had to draw it in. But even if you put a black bead in, it still looks okay. Just not the most accurate to the actual Minecraft design. Because on the side of the head it shouldn't show any black colors. So the most accurate to the Minecraft chick design is Prototype 3, Design 3, which is the design you first saw in this video. And this is exactly the same as how it looks like in Minecraft. Please let me know in the comments which baby chick was your favorite in this video and what I should name all 6 of my little babies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you're able to make your own chicks. Make sure to tag me at CutieCrafts or send it to my Discord community. Stay tuned for more videos and I will see you next time with another cutie craft.